Hey everyone, welcome to the inaugural Den Demo Week. So this is our new onboarding.
It's like we want to make the first mile of using the product really simple.
So I'm going to select for work, Crypto X, and I am a salesperson for Crypto X. Since I'm a salesperson, I'm really heavy on G Suite and I also use Slack and Adio. Immediately, you can see that I've been recommended this company summary um, template, which will be really helpful for me. A bird's eye view of everything that's happened across all of these different platforms. And you can see that I'm dropped straight into the agent page. Now, the next big feature that we've shipped is databases. Now, databases are just like Notion databases. I can actually insert any value into this column. I can insert other pages, I can insert people, and I can even insert tools. And just for the sake of the demo, I'm going to quickly populate this with some mock data. So these rows are going to automatically be added to the database. And the next cool thing you can do with databases are these generative columns. So here I'm going to say poem. What I can do is I can prescribe a prompt to this column and say, use their name and LinkedIn slugs to write a poem. And so when I run this column, you can see that Den will automatically populate the cells in the database. Now, the final powerful thing that you can do with databases in Den is use the agent to iterate through each row. So let's say that me as a salesperson wants to do some actual outbound now. And you can see that it's going to send the cold emails in parallel. And what I can do is I can actually click into one of these completions and see exactly what's happening.
So in the last 2 weeks, we have shipped two really important features to make agents more accessible to you every single day. One of the first ones I want to show off is triggers. So previously you could only schedule agents to run at set times, but now we added the ability to trigger agents based on external events. So in this case, I have built an enrichment agent that will run every time a new contact has been created in Adio. To set that up, all I need to do is select Adio, then select the trigger. So new record created. Then I will just need to give it a little bit of information to configure the trigger. So in this case, I will just click person. So now every single time a new person has been created in my Adio workspace, this agent will do some research and then update their contact. So while that loads, I will move on to the second feature that we just released, which is remote MCP servers. We know that we don't have every single application that you use across your stack, but now you can really easily add remote MCP servers directly into Den. So I will just build a Sentry remote MCP. We handle all of the OAuth done by the MCP protocol. Click approve, and I'll be taken directly back to our application in just a moment. And you can see that Sentry is now populated here. And just like that, I've integrated a remote MCP and we're good to go.
That's really cool. Does that mean any MCP server you can now add to Den?
Any MCP server. There's a list that we can put in the description of the channel that has some really great MCP servers out of the best ones that you can start using right away.
Does that mean I can connect my internal company MCP server if I have one?
Yep. Any MCP server that you can access remotely.
Nice. Nice. What's like another, going back to the triggers, what's another use case for being able to trigger an agent rather than just schedule it to run?
So one of my favorite triggers is actually drafting email responses. I hate doing my emails, and now I can up a trigger that enables an agent to run and draft an email response for me every single time. Another really great one that we use every single day at Den is to run an agent every time a new user signs up and sends them a really personalized email from either yourself or myself. I'm welcoming them to the product and asking if they have any feedback.
I might start using that for email filtering.
Email labeling, email filtering, you can do anything you would like in Den.
Well, thank you guys for tuning in to our first Den demo, and we'll see you in 2 weeks when we're going to be showing off our new mobile app and our new desktop app. I know that that's been a burning request from, all of our users. So we're really excited to be shipping that over the next 2 weeks, along with a few more exciting things. So stay tuned.